Turkey tail, it's an important medicinal mushroom. Um, the Latin name for it is Trametes versicolor, or it's also known as Coriolus versicolor. In the wild, it's sometimes misidentified with Stereum hirsutum, which kind of has pretty much the same, almost the same, I would say, look. But when you check that underneath, you will see that it doesn't have the wide creamish pores as you see in Trametes versicolor. In that one you have just smooth hymenium that doesn't have any pores, any gills, anything like that, which is more like orangish, yellow orangish. In older specimens is going to be discolored though. So Coriolus versicolor, or turkey tail, also has different colors. It's like 3 kinds of colors that you can find in nature. Mostly one it's blue, the other one it's light brown, and the third one it's more like light reddish, rusty. So it's a beautiful mushroom, and not only that, but some people out there, they're making necklaces and pendants and different stuff, even earrings out of it. So yeah, you can use it that way, or you can make medicine out of it, especially if you're going to do hot water extract. You can boil this fungus, but first you have to turn it into powder, or you can grind it up in a blender, and then you can make hot water extract. You can boil that mushroom for several hours, and you're going to get this light color, a little bit sweet, and it has a specific flavor to it, the polysaccharide rich healing potion. It's a very important mushroom if you're thinking about the medical abilities that it has. I would suggest you, encourage you to dive deep into that, because you'll find true use for this mushroom. And if you want to grow it, then you can grow it. It doesn't take much effort to grow this one, but I want to tell you that the mycelium is pretty aggressive, so that's going to colonize fast even a grain jar. If you want to make spawn, it's like 10 days, 2 weeks, it's done. It's like right away. It's not like maitake that takes forever, but in this one you have right away full colonization of that jar, and also the substrate that you're going to grow it onto, it's going to be colonized pretty fast. What takes more time when you grow this mushroom is the formation of the fruit body, and that is going to take 2 months up to 3 months. So the fruit body has this kind of fibrous to texture, so you can't eat that. Even if you're going to grow it in a plate, you will see that it's going to form a white mat, and if you leave it long enough, over 2 weeks or so, that mat, it's going to be very, very difficult to take a sample out of it. So that's why this mushroom, it's also used in growing materials, for example, or can be used to make purses or different objects. for example. There are people that are playing around with mycelium objects, so this is one of those mushrooms that you can use for that kind of purpose. The substrate, well, this is a mushroom that grows on everything, almost everything. You can find it mostly on hardwoods, but sometimes you can see it on conifers as well. It grows on a wide range of substrates, and you'll find it in all areas in the world, in different continents. Of course, there are areas where you won't find this mushroom, but it's very common. And what I want to tell you about it, the temperature. This grows, it has a wide tolerance not only for substrate, but also for temperature. It grows in both lower temperature, mid temperatures, and also in hot weather if you want. So yeah, this is an amazing mushroom. If you want, just try it out, try to grow it. It's going to be beneficial if you want to use it as a medicine. So yeah.